What you doing? What you doing, White Feather? What you doing, pretty boy? Step up. That's a good boy. Step down. That's a good boy. Step up. That's my baby. Mwah. Thank you for the kisses. Step down. Step up. That's a good boy. Mwah. Can I kisses? Mwah. No, no kisses? You want to dance? You want to dance? Oh, you want to talk to me? You going to talk? No.
I don't get excited. There's a flower shop at the airport. I guarantee you have orchids in our dressing room before Christmas.
I'll help you.
Okay, you went on your little journey now. Are you done? Step up. That's my boy. Oh, thank you for the kisses. You're so lovable. You're so lovable. Down. This is White Feather. And thanks to him, I can deal with the death of my blue feather. He is definitely a very majestic bird that I love very much. And I'm glad that I can share him with you. He's very, very talented already. He is bought in a pet shop 3 days ago. And already he's got this much hand taming done. I honestly believe that he's got part of blue feather in him, but he is an awesome bird, and I love him very much, and I'm glad I got to share him with you guys. And he gives kisses.